Where to buy your nursing training forms 2026. In today's video, I'm going to tell you where to buy your nursing training forms this year. Now, finally, we are in the month of April, and I thought last year by this time, Ministry of Health was releasing the nursing training forms. Yeah, I thought so. Last year by this time, they released the forms and every applicant apply for it. Okay, but one thing you have to know that last year told us that they will release it on banks, GCB banks and other banks, so that you go there and then buy the forms. We purchase the voucher and then go to cafe and then apply for the nursing training. But we wait and wait. It didn't come to banks. Finally, they come out and then tell us that we can buy it on our phone. Okay, so what we did is that we buy the voucher on the phone and they go to cafe and then fill it and then apply it. Okay, so this year too, I hope that is also going to be like the last year. Yes, because when we buy it on phones, it helps us very, very well. Okay, yes, because if it come on banks like GBC, and if someone wants to buy the voucher, the person has to travel from another town to town before the person can buy the voucher and then go to cafe and they fill it. But as they allow us to buy it on phones, then it really, really help us. So I know that this year also it's gonna be the same. Okay, so you buy the forms for on phone. Okay, you buy the forms on phone. Okay, I thought last year the forms was 150 Ghana cedis, 150 Ghana cedis only. So if you want to apply for 3 or 4 schools, then every school is 150 Ghana cedis. Yes. So if you want to buy 3 forms from different schools, then you are going to pay, I think, 450 Ghana cedis. Yes. So that's how it's gonna happen. I hope this year also, while we are in the month of April, I hope Ministry of Health will release the forms soon, okay, so that you apply for it. And I I hope I have done a video about it only. The passport picture, I think last year when I'm going to apply for my nursing training forms, and I told the the person that filling the forms for me, I told him that I want a certificate, so I don't know the background of my passport. Okay, and the person told me that the background was white, but the background was just red. Okay, so take note of that. So when you are before you are going to apply for the form, make sure you make your research the background of your passport picture. Okay, for certificate last year it was red, and diploma and then degree is white. Okay, so take note of that. If you didn't research about it and then you use white background and use it to apply for certificate, then you can disqualify. Okay, and make sure take note of this. Okay, the moment you buy the forms, your money is not refundable. They are not going to give you the money back. So make sure everything is set and you qualify for everything before you apply for, especially for business students. The last year, what they did to the business students, that I always repeating myself. Okay, beginning of eligibility was there that business students can apply for it, but later on they remove some of their elective subjects. Okay, so make sure to do your research before apply for it. Okay, so this is where to buy the nursing form 2026. If you found this video helpful, here is Nursing Mirror channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Bye.